Hey there, it's Eric. It's laundry day here at Proteus. As you can see, neatly folding, taking care of business. Funny thing is about laundry, and especially my underpants, it makes me think about passwords. But you're wondering, why do I think about passwords while I fold my laundry? Well, the reason that is, passwords are much like underpants. There's really three tenets when it comes to passwords and underpants. They go like this: change them often, keep them private, and never share them with anyone else. So with that said, here are 4 cyber vigilance tips for keeping your passwords safe and secure. Number 1, jumble them up. Hackers these days have a common password database, and most passwords are hacked easily because people use common words out of the dictionary such as "I love my cat" or "red hair rocks." They replace vowels with numbers such as ones and zeros and passwords such as Raven's Rule or Orioles Rock. Or they just use common other characters such as the exclamation point, the question mark, or even the ampersand. The best way to protect yourself with this type of activity is to just jumble up that password. Use random characters. Sometimes I suggest using song lyrics and using every letter or number from a song lyric, but the best thing to do is just use a random one. It means nothing to me, and as long as I can remember it, it's a good password to use because a dictionary hack won't find it. Number 2, use multiple passwords. I can't tell you how many people use the same password for every site every time. That's a bad thing. The simple rule of thumb is this: if you use the same password on your gardening site as you do for your bank account, and that gardening site has the least common denominator when it comes to security, odds are that will get hacked first, and that information will be leaked to steal sensitive information such as your money or other critical information you care about. Number 3, don't write your password down. I can't tell you how many times when I'm on consulting jobs or whether even here in the office, I sit down at somebody's desk to review whether it's a security incident or just a common IT task, and I see a password written on a sticky note. I even know somebody here at Proteus who will remain unnamed who keeps all their passwords in a spreadsheet. Any piece of malware that infiltrates a system can easily pull that information from that file and gives keys to the kingdom. Don't write them down. Use your brain. Keep them there. I know it's tough to remember multiple passwords, and that's why I give you CV tip number 4. Use a password manager such as LastPass. These password managers are great where you're able to set up one master password that you can remember, maybe one of the ones that are tough and jumbled up, so that you can use that to keep all of your system's passwords intact. It also will recommend multiple complex passwords and store them for you so you don't have to remember them, and will push them into the other websites as you log in. It's a great way to remember one password but have multiple secure ones across many sites. So with that said, if any of this seems complicated or a little bit more than you want to handle yourself, reach into Proteus and reach out to our cyber vigilance experts. We're here to help you. Feel free to reach out to us across our website or other social media channels for more information about this and other tips. Thank you.